We have a few orders for Irina that's going to Illinois, and the orange corrector from Etalon, the brow set for Etalon, 6 different colors I already showed you before, and the Etalon mini set for lips, 5 milliliters of 7 different shades. And the first one is Gentle Kiss. It's a baby lips, perfect for blondies and can be used as a basic color. We have a pink caramel. It's a warm pink basic shade for edging cold lips. We have a berry nectar. It's suitable for both fair-skinned and darker contrasting girls. We have a red velvet. It goes well with the yellow character to get the scarlet color. We have a cherry mousse, beautiful cherry shade, and it works perfectly for all types of clients. We have a dusty rose. It's a pastel delicate color pink. It's great for neutral shades. And we have a sweet cinnamon, a beige red brown shade for the naturally light lips. And it's great for warm blondes and people with freckles.